Hello everybody. Welcome to this unit dedicated to flow control activities in BIZUIT Designer. These activities are the basis for structuring the logic and organization of automated processes, allowing from making decisions, iterating on data or executing tasks in parallel, to managing time and communications between processes. In this series of videos, we will explore each of these tools with practical examples that will help us to understand how to configure them and apply them in real scenarios. We will start with the branching activity, an essential tool for directing a flow according to defined conditions, and move on to more complex activities such as the iteration, the repetition, and the expiration control. We will also see how to handle parallel tasks with the parallelism activity and how to communicate between processes using the receive and send message activities. Get ready to dive into the world of activities from control flow. Each video will guide you step by step through the use of these tools, from basic concepts to advanced configurations, with examples designed to take your processes to a new level of automation and efficiency. Let's start this unit together and discover all that BIZUIT Designer has to offer to transform your workflows.